guys all need to come and bring your craft, and if you don't have one, that's okay. Chances are somebody else needs help. So June 19th, you need to come at 7 p.m. and bring all your crafts with you. Bring a sack lunch. We're gonna have a great time making our crafts for our craft fair in November. We'll see you then.
You've probably already heard, but June, there's a special emphasis on our building fund. And for everyone who gives $10 or more to the building fund, they will receive a complimentary ticket for the dinner next week. June 24th is that date. So go ahead, make your contribution today, any amount, but at $10 or more, you can come to the dinner. If you want to give $10 or more for someone else, you'll get a guest ticket to bring them as well. So there's no limit to how many you can invite and how much you can give to the building fund.
Arizona Senior Camp is June 25th to 29th. You have to be at least 13 years old, and for more details, see Pastor Andrew.
And that's what's going on in Life Church. Now it's time for worship. Let's join in and worship with our praise team.